Welcome back guys to my channel. My name's Cliff and today I'm going to be working on the cockpit area of the Mannock. Primarily what I want to achieve is a windshield and a dashboard and headrest for the pilot. So I just want to tidy up that whole area. So without further ado, if you'd like to come a little bit closer, we'll start the work. As it's wet and windy outside, let me come up to you. Pause you there a moment. Just spotted my little helicopter. You've flown these funny little things? They're great fun. I'm going to bind them up. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Let's move that over there a bit. This is just for a bit of fun for a second. I've flown it for a bit. Oops, oops. Oh. Control it. There we go. Just a little bit of fun there. Let's turn that off, crack on anyway. Getting sidetracked. That's how you get sidetracked, isn't it? That's how you get nothing done. Right, you can see. Let's move you back down again. Now, where were we? I was looking at that. Now I need something to mount this screen on. I want to put a dashboard in there, which I'm going to do on the PC. Also I want to put in my little camera on top of a servo. It's my Mobius camera. That'll sit in there so as I can look around and get some aerial shots when it's flying, which always looks great. To do that I've got to mount a servo in the cockpit. So I've got to cut a square out there. The screen's going to be just the size of the top of the fuselage here, which will be about there. Really, I want to slot it. Now, how big does this slot have to be? The thickness of this plastic, which is very, very thin. So maybe just a knife slot. Because what I could do is paint a frame on it. So that's that. Slot it in there, and that will then, can you see the fuselage here? That will then go like that. Just a little windshield, nothing special. You're telling me it's nothing special. Right, some masking tape. Okay. So what I've ended up with is a bit of masking tape around the frame. So now I can paint the edge silver, and we'll have a little simulated silver frame. While I'm at it, I want to paint this silver, and I can't just paint bare wood, so what I'm going to do is just seal it all with a bit of CA. I'm not going to put any on the bottom because I want to keep it virginal for and actually glue it on. Dab some silver paint on there. Ah, it's going on alright. Okay, one silver thingy bob. So I need to laminate. Here's a nice piece of suitable wood. How are we looking? All for a chunk of balsa, eh? That's better. That's better, isn't it? That'll go up there. Okay, so that's the headrest on its way, and the windshield on its way. What else is on the list? Oh yeah, I said I was going to cut. Let's pop this over there then. It can dry over there. Now I'm just going to cut the hole in the floor of the cockpit. Okay, so that's the cockpit floor out. It's a great big hole. Right, so I've got to mount my servo rails from side to side. Now the question is, do I want the servos to be beneath? I can go in half an inch lower and be beneath there or above. That depends on the servo. Let's pop a servo in there. So it's pretty much roughly level with the top of the, it's got to look through the windshield. So yeah, pretty much level with the top of the bodywork there. So okay, so what I can do is to take a bit of this, probably use a bit of that floor. Is it too small? No, that's fine, like that. Like that. Okay, so that's that floor. That can be drying now. Let's have a look at this block of wood that I did earlier on. Feels pretty dry. So that's for the headrest, which is going to sit there, of course. All I've got to do is to shape it down. Let's pop that over there a minute. Bend it down a little bit, and just want to tidy up the side so it's all one block really, like that. Now we got very crude shape, so I can shape it up a little bit with the planer, minding my fingertips. As you rotate it, you can see little shadows, you feel little lumps and bumps because it is laminated. So where the glue is, it's like sounds slightly ridgy. It's quite nice. Happy with that. And I haven't made a dashboard yet. Could do that. Now what I want to do is to probably get that shape off the plan really. If you remember, I used the pin method just for marking out the corners, the easiest way to transfer a shape. Yeah, that'll fit okay. Look, I'm not going to push it in tight. So I need to make a dashboard. So I need to make a dashboard for that. So should we go online and have a little look? See what we can find out. Good website to look at. Right, anyway, let's close that a minute. No, actually, let's just do that. I can't do that. It's not live. So there's my dash. Cut it across the bottom, and I can just lay that right over the top, and there we are. I'll glue that on there, glue it in the plane. That will just glue onto the two bearers I put in earlier on. about that? I think that'll get airborne. So that wants to go just there. Just because I'm sticking it onto the fabric itself, so okay, signing off for a minute. Like the video, helps with the analytics. Subscribe, be fantastic. Keep up to speed with all the, well, you certainly want to see this one flying, don't you?